Welcome to my channel, PeekAboo-AI Surveillance, where I break down the many different ways AI is being used for video and audio surveillance. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any news or information about AI surveillance you will want to know. I might have some useful links in the description below for each topic, so be sure to check those out. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Every year, thousands of lives in the United States are tragically cut short by gun violence, and the impact goes far beyond the initial loss. The CDC reports that firearm violence and injuries cost the nation tens of billions of dollars annually in medical expenses and lost productivity. In environments where a threat can escalate in just a matter of seconds, security teams need tools that offer not just a faster response, but early detection. Traditional solutions like metal detectors, human-only monitoring, and even shot detection systems all have their place, but they can be limited in scope. This is where AI gun detection technology steps in. By using artificial intelligence to visually identify firearms in real-time video feeds, these systems provide a proactive layer of defense. They can alert personnel and trigger emergency protocols before a single shot is ever fired. This technology has huge potential in places like corporate and school campuses, retail locations, shopping malls, restaurants, and more. So, let's break down how this gun detection technology actually works to get a better understanding. AI gun surveillance systems operate in two main ways: through AI-powered visual detection using cameras and acoustic detection using specialized sensors. Both are designed to identify threats rapidly and initiate an emergency response much faster than human reporting. First, let's talk about AI-powered visual gun detection. This system uses your existing security cameras and layers artificial intelligence on top to analyze video feeds in real time. The system uses deep learning algorithms, specifically convolutional neural networks, which have been trained on thousands of images and videos of various firearms. This allows them to recognize the shape, size, and even the movement of a potential weapon. More advanced systems can even perform contextual analysis to differentiate between a brandished firearm and an innocent object like a cell phone or a tool. Some also use behavioral analytics, looking for actions like running, taking cover, or crowd dispersal to assess the threat level. Even if the weapon isn't in clear view, when a potential threat is identified, the system instantly sends an alert to security personnel, building administrators, or law enforcement. These alerts usually include still images, video clips, and the exact location of the camera that detected the threat, giving everyone crucial situational awareness. In some cases, the system can even be integrated with other security infrastructure to trigger automated responses, like locking doors to restrict an attacker's movement, activating alarms, or updating digital signs with emergency information. Now, the other side of the coin is acoustic gunshot detection. These systems are designed to detect the sound of an actual gunshot after it has already occurred, and then pinpoint its location. They use an array of specialized microphones and sensors placed in strategic locations, either indoors or outdoors. When a loud, impulsive sound is detected, the system analyzes the sound wave's unique frequency, intensity, and duration to determine if it matches the acoustic signature of a gunshot. This helps filter out false alarms from things like firecrackers or a car backfiring. By using data from multiple sensors, the system can triangulate the precise location of the shot. The alert is often sent to a human analyst for quick verification before being dispatched to law enforcement. This process can significantly reduce response times compared to waiting for 911 calls. Both types of systems, visual and acoustic, offer different benefits and are often used together in a layered security approach for comprehensive protection. Integrating AI gun detection technology is not just another security upgrade. It represents a fundamental shift in how organizations can identify and respond to threats by adding real-time visual intelligence to existing camera systems. This technology enhances both awareness and response capabilities at the most critical moments. Thanks so much for taking the time to check out my tutorial. Any relevant links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any important AI surveillance information. Be sure to check out the thumbnails that will be popping up for similar content. And don't forget, PeekAboo, I see you.